into the woods.
Likely electric.
Driving along in my car, going where I need to go.
If I was coming down here in a £100,000 Mercedes G-Wagon, I'd be worried about scratching the paint. But I'm not in a G-Wagon, I'm in my van.
I mean, paint is basically, to the French, the wrapper that the car comes in when it's new. When I was 17, on a French exchange trip, staying with a French family, they had a son my age, and they'd bought him a brand new Fiat Panda. I mean, a new car. And as we sat outside in the sun, me and them, his kid brother, 5 years old, was throwing stones at the Panda. Dink! And a chip of paint would come off. Well, if that had been me at 17 with a brand new car, I would have beaten him to death with anything that came to hand. This 17-year-old lad didn't care. Just flicking stones at the car. It makes a nice noise as the paint comes off. What?
Soon we reached the halfway point, where I demonstrated the Citroen Berlingo's party trick. It's John! And then, after I'd ruined the handbrake, we joined a sort of rally track.
What we're proving here, I think, is that a car's ability to get places and do things is governed entirely by the driver's willingness not to care about it.
Please don't be alarmed by those noises. They don't really mean anything. It's only what a typical French person would do on a rally in Africa in their mum's Renault 4. It was, let us not forget, the French who invented endurance rallies, such as the Paris-Peking, the Paris-Dakar, and all the other Trans-Africa races. And most importantly, they usually used what was parked in the drive.
This is bumpy enough to dislodge your gullet. Ah, il ne marche pas. Oh, merde.
Ah! Monsieur, où est la boulangerie?
Il est là,
Ouais.
200 mètres.
Super.
Sous-moi.
Merci.
Oh là là! Au revoir, monsieur.
Merci, monsieur.
This is une pièce de gâteau so far. Oh, that's a...
Ah, Monsieur May. Go on. Oh, dear. Oh, merde.
Bonjour, monsieur. As we got closer to the summit, the going got even tougher.
Well, now this is an inconvenience. Oh, the windscreen.
Right, it's this way.
Oh no, my dishwasher.
Oh, hello. My family car can go down here, no problem at all. I don't see... Why do I need a G-Wagon? Oh.
Oh, merde!